Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to attach the second brush to your Proscenic M6 Pro. So in order to do this, first let's turn our Proscenic upside down like this, so it will have the wheels on the top. Now if we look around, we can find this little insert right here. So now let's take the second brush, it's this one, it should be in your box, there should be two of them. And now simply put it on it and push it till it sits in its place. But not too forcefully, just not to damage anything. So right now it's attached and it shouldn't come off as easily and it can rotate. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.